Hello everybody, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Vlogtober month. And in today's video I thought I would share my updated hair care routine because I changed it up a lot since my last video. So yes, so let's just get this started. So I am going to start before with this product before heading in the shower. Is I am using the oplex intensive bond building hair treatment number 0, and what it does is primes, repairs, strengthens, and protects all hair types. So I'm going to separate my hair, leave it in for 10 minutes. After that, I am going to add the oplex hair perfector number 3. It's the same thing, it repairs and strengthens all hair type. And with this I will add 10 minutes to it also. And let me just start off putting this in up. So I just go and take my hair out and just start separating it so I can just add the spray on my hair. Up. So I just take some sections of my hair, spray it out without trying to get in my ear. That would be helpful. I just don't really add a lot to it. Get it back in my hair, up, and then bring it. Then I just spray everything out. Do the same thing. Bring down another section of my hair down, up, put the rest in the bun, and then I'll just start spraying it again. Now I use this product once a week. And the same thing with the number 3 one. I use that once a week in my hair. So if you want to say this is more of my deep cleaning hair routine. So I'm like, you know, I'm going to do deep conditioning in my hair. I think I'm going to use a hair mask here. I'm going to use a hair mask today. For what more like tonight because it's almost 8 o'clock. So when I have that on my hair, I'm just going to put my hair in the bun and then leave it in 10 minutes. And then, so I'm just going to head out for 10 minutes. I come back and I'll show you guys how I put on the oplex hair protector number 3. It has been 10 minutes since I had the spray in my hair. So now I am moving on to the oplex hair perfector number 3. You have to shake it up. I'm just going to put my hand, and this is how much I'm going to use. I'm just going to rub it against my hand, and from the middle of my hair to downwards, I'm going to put on my hair, and then just go over, try to get on the ends of my hair. Up. Rub it in, make sure get it everywhere on my hair. Then when it's all over my hair, I'm going to put my hair up. And then I'm going to leave this in for 10 minutes. And then it's time to take a shower and wash my hair. So I'll be back in another 10 minutes to show you what shampoo and conditioners. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes. Were definitely longer than 10 minutes because I was talking to a friend about the whole information of going to next city, which I'll be filming. But let's go back to the video. So now I'm just going to hop in the shower and wash my hair. So with the shampoo, I always use the head scrub, and just you put on the shampoo on here and just get into my roots. So I'm going to start off with the oplex number 4 bond maintenance shampoo. Put it in my roots, wash it off. Then I go wash my hair again with another shampoo, which is the Moroccan Oil Moisturizing Repair Shampoo. Rinse it off. Then I go on with the Oplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. And I'm going to put that kind of like in the middle of my hair down to my ends. And then I leave that in 20 minutes as a deep conditioner. Then rinse it off. And then, yeah, so I'm just going to do all of that. And then I'll show you what I do. Now, it's all done. I have to just rebrush my hair to get all of the knots out. My hair is still soaking wet. Just because I've heard that it's just better to brush your hair when you have curly hair or trying to get your curls back is to brush your hair like this and everything. So as you can see, I have a good amount of knots. My hair always reacts to this when I do a deep cleaning of my hair, so I shampoo twice, deep condition and everything. So it's just a bit annoying to make sure I have all the knots out and everything. And the issue is, I definitely see a notice with these new products I've been using. But like my hair, like when I brush my hair doesn't come out as nice as I feel like it should be when I brush my hair, especially when it's wet, and that's like the most annoying thing. But I'm in a journey trying to get my curls back as it was, and I'm pretty positive, because when I look at old pictures when I was young, my hair looked like it was like a 2C, between 2C and 3A, and I didn't use any products or anything. So it's like, I want that curls back. So, it's all out. I saw a video from a girl saying it's best when your hair is still pretty wet to put all your own products in. So that is what I'm going to do. Let me just get everything out. That's a mask, so that has this one if I don't drop it. So I am going to use the oplex number 6 Even Style Treatment. I'm going to add 3 pumps. Rub it in, and I guess you have to make smooth the moisturizer and whatever, the cream for your hair, and just like that, get it everywhere. Use your fingers and everything. And I'm trying not to get in my roots, because I guess that's like not the best. But I guess it causes more grease or whatever, and I already work in the kitchen, so that's already enough grease right there. And then, moving on, I am going to use the Intense Curl Cream, which, no, that's not the one I want. Is that what I want? Yeah, this is what I want. I'm sorry. So it's the Moroccan Oil Intense Curl Cream, and it's supposed to not cause for your hair to frizz up, which is usually what happens when I brush my hair. I use 3 pumps. Go in, and I'm going to go the opposite. Go like this to show more definition, I guess. Go like that. Again, go and up here just to do the same thing. Scrunch to get more volume. Up. I'm just going to keep doing that. To the back. Then moving on, for last but not least, I'm going to add the oplex number 7 bonding oil, which this is, I'm going to add a few drops and add to my split on my ends to reduce some split ends. And then after that, I'm going to start drying my hair, because I don't feel like air drying it tonight, because it's already 9:30 out, so don't necessarily want to deal with that before going to bed. Now, when I have that all set, I'm going to use my hair dryer, the air diffuser. So I guess first to actually when it's somewhat dry, somewhat wet, you want to do outside, and then when it's starting to get not as wet, to press it down. So that's what I'm going to do, so let's just get it started. So this is how my hair kind of looks like when it's dry. It's not completely dry because I can't use the whole heat, because then my place starts, the fire alarm thing goes off like crazy. So this side, I feel like I noticed lately half my face is done while I was talking. I don't really care. I think I'm just going to upload it and everything, because I don't really do the deep cleaning thing every single day and everything. But you know what? I lost my tripod thing, so I'm using a paper towel to hold my camera. Okay guys, you just have to deal with it without that. But if you guys did enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up, because it really helps on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I am doing Vlogtober every single day. I am planning to show you guys when I go to New York City, when I go to Boston, when I go to Canada. So please subscribe to my channel if that is something that you are interested in.